I'm going to show you a best alternative of anti-gravity, which is way, way better than anti-gravity. Okay, let's go to the desktop and okay. What makes anti-gravity way better than any other agents? Mostly it's because giving us free usage of top AI models like Claude Opus and Cloud Sonnet. They are on the top of the games, but they are not. They are not actually way better than GLM 5.2 because, sorry, because as you can see, there are top lot of models that are like Gemini 3.5, which is in anti-gravity. We have ChatGPT, we have Claude, Opus 4.8, 4.7, and yeah, 4.6 thinking. But as we see, the GLM 5.2 is reaching on top, which is right now it is the toppest in the ranking. Okay, so I'm going to show you the best way to use GLM 5.2 for free, but in a best alternative of antigravity, which is called ZCode.Z.ai, which is one of the products of the Z.ai company. Okay, they are the creators of the GLM LLMs, and they are actually doing a great job developing it. Okay, so you can download it for Windows. It already has for macOS and Linux. It only needs your credential login of Z.ai. So if you just click on login, just go to the Z.ai and log in into it. And I already logged into it before with another account. So as you can see, I already can add my own free alternatives API into it also. But if you want to use GLM 5.2 and it gives you GLM 5 Turbo also, you can use it for free with limited trial, and every day it's going to reset the trial. So 3 million contacts, you can use it daily. And for me, it's going to reset on every time on 7:29 p.m. Okay, so we can just change the model to GLM 5.2, and let's go to one of my projects. Let's see in here. Yeah, I already selected. And one of the good thing is you can connect your ZCode as an internal API to other IDEs. I'm going to show you in a minute. So let's just test it out. Hello, tell me about this project. As you can see, I'm in Iran. I need to use VPN, and my VPN is already connected. So maybe in your country you don't have to, but I actually need to be in here. So let's check it out. I give you an error right now. So turn execution, capture insecurity. Yeah, it is because of my VPN. So I'm going to change it to, let's say, one of the static IPs. Yeah, maybe this one is going to help me out. Okay, let's copy it and paste it again. Hopefully it works. Show details. Yeah, the captcha. So let's just close it and open it again. Okay, I'm going to run ZCode again. Because I'm in Iran, I always have these kind of issues. So yeah, that is it. Yeah, it's not working right now. It gives me a captcha verification failed. This kind of error, it is because of the VPN. So in my country, it might don't give you this. It might not gonna give you this error. It is a little bit, yeah, it is common in my country to get all this error. But let's just change it to DeepSeek V4, and I'm gonna see if it's going to work in here right now. It is hopefully working. Gives me reconnecting. Let's just disconnect it. Maybe it's going to work right now. Yeah, see? Start by reading the root agents. Yeah. If you follow my tutorial in my last video, I showed you how to add open code authentication API keys to any agent that you want because it's ultimately free and you can use it. So use ZCode. It already has GLM 5.2. It's one of the best, and you can use it, and you can use it daily. So guys, give it a try. And one of the other things that you can do is connect ZCode to other IDEs. Let's say I'm going to connect it to Try. You're just going to click on up here. If you already installed Try, you can see the Try in here. I'm going to click on it. And if you click on it, automatically the Try will run. See, it is opening right now. And let's see the connection. Yeah, I'm going to come here and you see GLM 5.2 add your custom models. So by default, it's going to connect it right over here. But as you saw, I cannot just connect to the GLM 5.2, but it has the capability to connect to it. So guys, use it. It is one of the greatest alternative agents of the Antigravity. It is doing better and has a good result. I work with it and I like it. So hopefully this video gives you value. If it does, subscribe and like this video and share this to someone else. And it's gonna help me and my channel will grow. So thank you guys for staying to the end of this video and see you guys in the next video. Take care everybody. Bye-bye.